In this video, I'll show you how you can clear your RAM cache right here. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to this website. You can just search for RAM map download on Google and this will pop up. Let me show you. Here. It's from the Microsoft Learn page, and what you want to do in here is you want to simply come over here and press download. Once it's downloaded, it should be right here. And don't worry guys, this is an official thing from Microsoft, so you don't have to worry. Now once it's downloaded, you want to run the exe, and it should look something like this. Now what you want to do in here is you can open your task manager, go to performance, and you can see your RAM cache here. Now then what you want to do from RAM map is press empty and empty standby list. Now when I click on this, as you can see, it went down all the way to 200. And I just did this a few minutes ago, and this was way higher. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.